how to hide notification details in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can hide all of the notification details from your lock screen. So you might have noticed that whenever your device is set aside and you receive a notification, the lock screen notification shows all of the message as well as the message body. So how you can hide notification details is really simple in Android. All you will need to do is simply open your settings by tapping onto the app icon, and once you're inside settings, simply scroll down until you see this option that says notifications and quick settings. So simply click on notifications and quick settings, and under the notifications and quick settings you can simply scroll down and you might find this option that says hide notification details on lock screen. This do not display notification content when the device is locked. So simply enable this by tapping onto this toggle and you're all set. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.